Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow, this is excavator, big size excavator, guys. Wow, this is a big size excavator. Wow, nice excavator. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is huge collection, guys. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is backhoe loader, big size backhoe loader, guys. Wow, nice backhoe loader. Wow, this is a very big size backhoe loader. Wow, nice. Look at this. This is a bulldozer, big size bulldozer, guys. Wow, this is a very big size bulldozer. Wow, nice bulldozer. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is a front loader, small size front loader, guys. Wow, this is a small size front loader. Wow, this is very small size. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is ambulance. Emergency ambulance, guys. Wow. This is emergency ambulance. Wow. Nice ambulance. Look at this. Wow, this is forklift. Wow. This is very small size forklift. Wow, this is very qualityful forklift. Wow, nice. Look at this. Wow, this is high-speed racing car. Wow, this is nice high-speed racing car, guys. Wow, this is very high-speed racing car. Wow, look at this. This is Ferrari. Wow, nice Ferrari, guys. Wow, look at this. This is very qualityful Ferrari. Wow, this is Lamborghini Ferrari. Wow, look at this. This is fire emergency unit car. Wow, nice fire emergency unit car, guys. Wow, this is very heavy. Wow. Look at this. This is a police bus. Wow, this is a police bus, guys. This is dangerous police bus. Wow, look at this. Wow. Look at this. Wow, this is a small size road roller. Wow, this is very small size road roller. Wow, look at this. This is very small size. Look at this. This is a water tanker. Wow, this is a water tanker, guys. This is a water tanker, emergency water tanker, fire rescue water tanker. Wow, look at this. This is a dam truck. Wow, this is a small size dam truck. Wow, this is very qualityful. This is very heavy. Wow, nice dam truck. Look at this. This is a fire rescue bus. Wow. This is very emergency fire rescue bus. Wow. Look at this. This is a missile truck. Wow. Nice missile truck. Wow. This is very expensive missile truck. Look at this. This is a concrete mixer truck. Small size concrete mixer truck, guys. Wow. Nice concrete mixer truck.